If you're battling with dark circles, puffy eyes, eye bags under your eyes, today is your lucky day because I'll be showing you how to get rid of under eye dark circles in 3 days. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to get rid of dark under eye circles in 3 days. So if you're interested in reducing those puffy eyes, eye bags under your eyes, you just want to keep on watching. Dark eye circles is one of the most difficult things to treat because the skin under your eyes is very delicate and thin. So that is why you need to treat your under eyes with extra care. So there are a whole lot of factors that can cause your under eyes to be dark or have this visible hyperpigmentation under your eyes. So one of them is lack of sleep. Like when you don't have enough sleep or rest, it tends to show under your eyes. Like you will notice that puffiness or eye bags under your eye if you wake up the next day. So this is one of the things that can cause you dark under eyes. So the second factor that can cause you dark under eyes could be hereditary. So dark under eyes sometimes could be hereditary. So when you look at your parents, if any of them is suffering from dark eye circles, probably you will have dark eye circles. So if your dark circles is genetic, just know that there is little to nothing to be done about it, okay? So other factors that can influence dark circles, puffy eyes, or eye bags under your eyes could be allergies, sun exposure. So that is why I advise the use of sunscreen, okay? So another major cause of dark eye circles could be aging skin. So when you start aging or getting old, your skin begins to thin out and loses its collagen, making your under eyes more visible or more pronounced. So those are the things that could cause you dark eye circles. So before we jump into the remedy or what you could do to get rid of your dark under eye circles, you want to ensure you get enough sleep and use your sunscreen daily to prevent your skin from getting damaged from the sun. So I've been getting a whole lot of requests pertaining this particular topic, and you all know that I don't really like to put out something that I've not tried out or have someone try it out and give me a review on it. So that is why I was actually taking time to put out this particular video, okay? So I got up one morning and I noticed I had this under eye circles. Like I will insert a picture of it on the screen here for you guys. Like it was so visible. I felt like what could have actually been the cause of this particular stuff. So I got to experience how it felt having under eye dark circles. Like I did not even want to step out that day or see anyone because I kind of felt ashamed about it. So I decided to try out everything. Like I decided to get rid of those, and I went on a research and I came across a whole lot of people talking about using ice cubes to treat under eye circles. So I practically tried that out. I used it in the morning and at night, and when I woke up the next day, there was no significant changes. Instead, I was noticing some visible wrinkles under my eyes, and I felt really shy about that. Like I have never encountered that before. So I tried that out, and I also tried out using the coffee method, and seriously it did not work for me, maybe because I have very sensitive skin, especially on my face. So I'll be showing you guys what actually worked for me to get rid of my dark circles, minimizing the appearance of my dark circles, eye bags, and puffiness. So I'll be showing you the product that actually helped to get rid of my under eye circles, and one of them is the aloe vera gel. Like this was the major lifesaver for me, okay? So the second ingredient that also helped to get rid of my under eye circle was vitamin E capsules. I bought that in a smaller quantity, so it's finished at the moment, but I've been inserting the particular one I used on the screen for you guys. So the third product I used is the almond oil. Okay, I'll be inserting a picture of the big almond oil for you guys on the screen. So this is the almond oil. Like, almond oil is another ingredient that I use to get rid of my dark eye circles. Like, so those are the three ingredients that was the major game changer for me in getting rid of my dark eye circles, puffiness, and eye bags. Okay, like, it really works like magic. Like, under 3 days I was able to clear up my dark eye circles. So I'll be showing you guys how I actually use these three products to clear up my dark eye circles and get rid of the puffiness and eye bags and wrinkles under my eyes. So all I do is to take some quantity of my aloe vera gel, put it in a container like this, like as you guys can see. So I use this to mix the one I want to use, then go in to add a drop of my almond oil and then 1 capsule of vitamin E. So this is what it looks like. This is it. Mix them together. Like, you use your hand or anything you have to mix. I don't really measure. So I take 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera gel, add it into the container, add 1 capsule of your vitamin E oil, and then 1 tablespoon of your almond oil. Then turn the mixture very well. You will have something like this. So this is what I have after mixing this. This is what it looks like after mixing them together. Okay, like, you have this white creamy gel base product. So after mixing them together, you want to use your ring finger to take the product, then apply it under your eyes. Like, tap the product under your eyes, tap that into your skin for like 10 seconds. Don't rub it as if you're rubbing your normal cream. So once the product absorbs into your skin, you want to massage your under eyes in this way. You want to look up, like, use your ring finger to massage your under eyes in this way. Okay, massage for 10 to 15 seconds. So once you're done massaging that into your eyes, you can go ahead to have your night rest. So this particular product, you can actually use it in the morning and at night if you want. But if you don't have enough time to do this in the morning, you can basically use it only at night before going to bed. Like, it works very well. So this particular mixture was the life changer. Actually worked for me. Like, I saw drastic change in 3 days. Like, under my eyes kind of felt smooth and the hyperpigmentation cleared out. Like, this particular mixture, it actually helps to get rid of your dark eye circles and under eye bags. It will help to moisturize your skin and get rid of that aging signs like wrinkles under your eyes. So this particular mixture is a lifesaver for me. I saw drastic change within 3 days of daily use. Like, the under eye dark circles, puffy eyes, eye bags, wrinkles, they just cleared out within 3 days. So this particular mixture will help to get rid of your under eye circles, puffiness, under eye bags, and wrinkles under your eyes. Vitamin E oil is one of the oil with great anti-aging and skin moisturizing benefits. So when you mix your vitamin E oil with your almond oil, it's bound to have this healing properties in it. So that is why it was able to clear out my under eye circle and puffiness. Okay, so if you're battling with dark eye circles, puffiness, under eye bags, you should basically try this out. It's going to help get rid of your dark under eye circles, eye bags, puffiness, and wrinkles under your eyes. It's a very nice product to use. Like, most eye creams can barely treat your hyperpigmentation this fast. So nevertheless, if you have dark under eye circles and if you're a fan of using under eye creams, you should reach out for eye creams that are very moisturizing, that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid, caffeine, vitamin E and retinol. They will help to moisturize and tackle your under eye circles. And most dermatologists will recommend you use creams with azelaic acid, kojic acid, glycolic acid that will help to lighten the hyperpigmentation under your eyes. If your own dark circles are worse, you should actually give it more time. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.